Hey everybody, and welcome to STN Crash Courses. My name is Josh Cantrell and I'm the STN Education Coordinator. Today we're going to be talking about recording a voiceover on your smartphone. First thing that you want to do is figure out where your microphone is on the bottom of your phone. On an iPhone, it's the smaller port on the left-hand side, that one right there. The next thing that you need to do is stack up a series of books or other objects to bring the phone up to mouth level. Then what you want to do is speak past the phone as if somebody's standing about 3 to 5 feet away. And then when you set the phone down on the top, make sure that you're not speaking directly into it, but at an angle so that you don't overload the microphone. Once you get this technique down, you can actually pick up your phone and continue to use it for other things, like Foley for film or Nat Sounds for broadcast packages. In fact, the music for this video was recorded exclusively on a phone. So the next time that you're out on a shoot and you need an audio recorder, look no further than your phone.